Let's be honest. As an IT service provider, you're constantly fighting shrinking margins on hardware and the race to the bottom in standard support pricing. Everyone talks about managed service, but how do you actually differentiate your portfolio today? Your clients are facing a massive challenge right now. They've moved to hybrid or remote work, and they are flying blind. They don't know if productivity is dropping or if company data is being handled securely at home. This is your opportunity as an IT service provider. Don't just sell security, sell visibility. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add monitoring as a service to your stack. Yeah, this isn't about spying, it's about protecting business processes. With the software Wolfeye that you see here, you can offer a solution that's up and running on 50 computers or more in under 5 minutes. For you, this means minimal setup, high client retention, and a fresh stream of monthly revenue per user. Before we dive into the technical setup, I want to explain and show you the following, because you as an IT service provider, if you go to our website at wolfeye.co, you will have the possibility to become our partner and to earn yearly license fees also here for IT service provider and MSPs. Yeah, so you can build recurrent revenues with live screen monitoring for your SMB clients. Yeah, and you will get a 25% permanent partner discount on the yearly license fees. Yeah, so contact us if you are interested. But what is Wolfeye? What is Wolfeye? Well, Wolfeye is exactly that. Yeah, it is a software, a small piece of software, and it's installed within moments. I will demonstrate it also on this video. You install it on each of the computers. Yeah, you offer your clients that they will be able to see the live screen of their employees, and they install a small piece of software, and what they will get, yeah, is the following. They will get a dashboard. This is the demo dashboard. I will get a dashboard. This is a demo dashboard. That's why the password is displayed. They log into that dashboard and we'll see for each of the computer that Wolfeye is installed. As I said, as many computers as they want. In this case, Wolfeye has been installed on 5 computers, and they see the live computer screen for each of the computer that this small software Wolfeye is installed. Okay. And in this case, this is the demo dashboard. That's why you only see dummy pictures, but in reality, you will see the live screen for each of the computers. Here, 5 that you installed Wolfeye. Okay. Um, in the standard setup, there is no well, okay, and you can even take a closer look at one of these screens. Yeah, so you open here live, this live link, so select one computer, let's say this one, and open in a new tab, and we'll be able to see in full size to see that particular live screen. Again, this is only a dummy picture because this is the demo version. Okay. Um, and if I say you will see the live screen, it's the following. It is a screenshot made every 2 seconds and sent to the server. A screenshot made every 2 to 3 seconds. Yeah, you see it here for this, for this, for this. Yeah, and that is sent to the server of Wolfeye. Yeah, and that's how you will see the live screen with a delay of 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, and I will show you how to install it. But first, I want to show you the following. You go here on features. Here, all the features are described. And every 2 to 3 seconds, this small piece of software makes a screenshot, sends it to the server. Yeah. And the previous screenshot is overwritten by the newest screenshot. Yeah. So if the screenshot history feature is not enabled, and the standard is that's not enabled, it's always disabled, we do not permanently store any of these screenshots. Nothing is stored, no IP address, no name, no screenshots, but the most recent one. Okay. And also, the transmission is protected, of course, with HTTPS, TLS. Yeah, the live screenshot and the can be also or is protected with password, and password is htaccess. Okay, so that's how it works. If you would like to try it out, and then go to our website wolfeye.co, click this 14 days free trial, this button on the top of the page, and you can also here chat with me on WhatsApp, or write me a WhatsApp, or call me even, or book a live demo. The live demo, it's good because we get to know each other. We will see each other in a Google Meet session. That might be okay or good. So select your time zone. We might be in different time zones. I'm in Germany. Select the date and the time to make sure we both have time, and to take into account that we might be in different time zones. Okay, and in this demo session, we can talk about all the questions that you might have as a partner, all the questions that you might have with respect to Wolfeye software, and you might want to test Wolfeye on one or two or more of your computers, and we will do that. First, I will send you the access to my dashboard so you can see my live screen. And also, I will send you the download link for Wolfeye. Yeah? Very easy to install. I show it to you. I will give you the download link, and I can guide you through the installation process if you wanted to, but you can also install it by yourself because installation is really, really easy. How it works is I give you the download link, and you go to the download of your, and this is it's a zip file you extracted, and this is the setup file that you basically download. You double click it to install it, and the installation wizard appears. So you hit the install button to install it. You hit it, and it installs. And to finish it and launch Wolfeye Remote Screen, you hit finish, and it launches the control window of Wolfeye. It's called kernel because the software hides in the task manager, by the way. There might be a lot of questions that you might have. I don't say everything in each video that I do here for YouTube because I forgot them while doing the video, but you can ask me anything in this demo session that we do, and call me on WhatsApp, ask me anything. So, and to set it up, you just hit two buttons. The first button is the screen button that says the share screen. You hit it, and then it's already sharing the screen. And the next button is this blue button that says stealth mode. So let's do it. I click the green button, it turns red, it's sharing the screen, and then stealth mode, and it goes into stealth mode. That's it. It's already installed. It's always set up. So come to the website, schedule a Google Meet session. I will be very happy to get to know you. See you in the next video.